Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. MBA CET 2022. The exam has started 23rd August 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. This was slot 1. So morning slot was not conducted on 23rd of August. Exam is going to be conducted in 5 slots. So afternoon slot on first day is supposedly the slot 1. For slot 1, we are going to do the in-depth analysis. So what was the paper pattern? What was the level of difficulty? Were there any surprises? How many questions for per topic were asked? And this is what we are going to discuss. This is pure analysis on the basis of the students' feedback. And this time we have gathered information of many students and we have cross verified the information from multiple students. So there will be few of the points which we will be making may be different from the first cut analysis. For example, in first cut analysis, we had said that there were 15 questions on critical reasoning. So one of our student was quite confident and उसने एकदम कॉन्फिडेंटली मुझे बताया कि सर 15 से 20 क्वेश्चन थे क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग के। तो उसके कॉन्फिडेंस देख के हमने भी वीडियो में बता दिया, बट देन ही माइट हैव मिसअंडरस्टूड कि ये क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग नहीं कि कोई और टॉपिक है। ठीक है, ही मतलब इवन ही इज नॉट एट फॉल्ट, उसका थोड़ा सा मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गया एंड उसका कॉन्फिडेंस देख के हमने फर्स्ट कट एनालिसिस में बता दिया। सो ऐसे स्लाइड कुछ चेंजेस रहेंगे, बट अभी वॉट एवर डेटा विच वी आर गोइंग टू टेल यू इन दिस वीडियो, ये क्रॉस वेरीफाई हुआ है एटलीस्ट 3-4 स्टूडेंट से कम से कम। ठीक है, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. If you want to join us for MBA entrance coaching, you can connect on any one of these two numbers. We provide everything that is needed to help you join your dream school. So, test overview. It was not a sectional paper, jumbled up paper pattern था. No grouping of questions in some of the sets. ठीक है, जैसे RCs प्रॉपर ग्रुप में आए थे, मतलब अगर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आरसी है तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 भी सेम आरसी का है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 भी सेम आरसी का है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 भी सेम आरसी का है। ठीक है, देयर वर फ्यू पजल्स के कुछ पजल्स ग्रुप आए थे, कुछ पजल्स ग्रुप नहीं आए थे, है ना। ग्रुप नहीं आए थे मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल 15th क्वेश्चन वाज ऑन वन पजल, followed by that 22nd question was on that same puzzle, followed by that 49th question was on same puzzle, है ना। तो आपको इसमें जो वॉट एवर रफ वर्क विच यू विल बी डूइंग, वो डू इट सिस्टमेटिकली। आपको उसके ऊपर क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे एंड यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर दोस क्वेश्चंस इजी। Overall level of difficulty was easy to moderate. Moderate because there were multiple questions on data sufficiency which made students feel कि ये पेपर थोड़ा सा difficult. Now we are the section wise breakup approximately plus या minus 1 रहेगा, so that is why we are giving you a range. Quant का 43 to 45 questions थे. This is based on various questions which we have got from multiple students and faculties. ठीक है, level of difficulty was easy to moderate for quant section. LR section 80 to 82 questions, easy to moderate. VARC 48 to 50 questions, easy to moderate. Abstract 23 to 25 questions, level of difficulty was moderate. Total 200 questions, overall level of difficulty was easy to moderate. Okay, now we are going to look at sectional breakup. So first let us start with abstract reasoning. There were 10 to 12 questions on series. ठीक है ना। So this is based on students data. Analogy के भी कुछ 7-8 questions थे, odd one out के 2 questions थे, miscellaneous 4-5 questions थे, like some questions were on water image, mirror image, rotation. उसके लिए एक हमने separate video बना दिया है, वो video I'll add it at the end of this video. ठीक है ना। तो उसमें आपको ये जो वाटर इमेज, मिरर इमेज, रोटेशन कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं एकदम ही सिंपल है, बट अगर आपको रिवाइज करना है तो यू कैन डू दैट फ्रॉम दैट वीडियो। ठीक है, अभी देयर आर मेनी रूमर्स की पेपर कटिंग भी आया था, फोल्डिंग भी आया था, काउंटिंग ऑफ नंबर ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स, ऐसे भी क्वेश्चंस आए थे। आई हैव गॉट द इंफॉर्मेशन कि कोई स्टूडेंट ने देखा है, किसी ने तो भी बोला है कि पेपर कटिंग एंड फोल्डिंग के भी क्वेश्चंस आए थे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट रीजनिंग में। तो जितने भी स्टूडेंट से मैंने बात की जिन्होंने आज पेपर दिया है 23rd अगस्त slot 1 2 PM to 4:30 PM दिया है, नो वन हैज टोल्ड मी कि पेपर कटिंग एंड फोल्डिंग के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस थे। ठीक है, होगा तो भी हार्डली एक आधी क्वेश्चन होगा, बट देन नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट। ठीक है, ओवरऑल लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट रीजनिंग वाज इजी टू मॉडरेट बिकॉज ऑफ सम miscellaneous questions like water image, mirror image, which are explained in a separate video. Next is quantitative aptitude. In arithmetic, total there were 13 questions. Standalone questions were 13 and 8 questions on data sufficiency, which is too high. Okay. And these data sufficiency were also 3 to 4 statements data sufficiency, not your regular data sufficiency of 2 statements. So arithmetic, the topics were percentage profit loss, SICI, time and work, time speed distance, average mixture allegation, ratio proportion. These were the topics. Okay. So ratio proportion variation is in algebra. Okay. Then geometry, you had 2 standalone questions and 5 questions in data sufficiency. Algebra, 3 questions, which included ratio proportion variation and simple equation only. And 3 questions of algebra were in data sufficiency. Modern maths means probability. There were 2 questions and both these questions on probability were quite easy. Data interpretation, for those who are scared of data interpretation, there was a good news. There were only 8 questions on data interpretation, 5 on a table and 3 on line graph. Again, very easy. Lot of data sufficiency questions, and as I told you, data sufficiency is, I mean, no one was expecting these many questions on data sufficiency. Also, there was no quadratic comparison. There was no questions on data comparison and no questions on simplification. So these things were missing out from quantitative aptitude. Okay, overall the section, these standalone questions were easy. Data sufficiency questions were bit difficult. This is what we have got to know from the students. Next is your verbal ability section. Total there were 5 to 6 sets. So in first cut analysis, we told you that there were 4 sets of RCs. Now, after talking to students, we have come to know that there were 5 to 6 sets. One of those sets was very difficult. Then here we have also mentioned about the topics of 4 of the sets. So Adventures of Sherlock Holmes, Civilizations and Machines, Economic Crisis in India, and Sarcasm. Total out of 5 to 6 sets of RCs, 4 of the RCs were based on these topics. So as you can see, the topics were completely different and were from different genres as well. Okay. A lot of weightage, more weightage was given on RC. Total 25 to 27 questions were on RC, and then rest of the paper had fill in the blanks. 4 questions, synonym, antonym, questions, parajumbles, odd sentence, and replace the underlined part. Okay, so there is a passage given over there. There is some underlined or bold part. You have to replace that part with better grammar and everything. Okay. Length of the RC varied. So there were short passages, there were long passages as well. Parajumble, there was a single set with 4 questions. So one set, you had to arrange it, and then which is the first question, which is the first statement, which is the third statement. These type of questions were there. Okay, followed by that logical reasoning. So logical reasoning, total there were 14 questions on arrangement, and these 14 questions were standalone questions. So it may, many students are saying that the paper was lengthy. It was lengthy because there were single puzzles, single question puzzles, and many single question puzzles over there. Okay, now arrangement includes linear arrangement, circular arrangement, both. Total 14 standalone questions on linear and circular arrangement. And then there was a set of 5 questions on linear arrangement. Okay, then blood relation, 6 to 7 questions. Coding, decoding, there were 6 standalone questions and 4 questions which were in set. Okay, now all these standalone questions of arrangement, blood relation, even the sets were very easy. So that is why people are predicting that the cutoffs are going to go high. But then the reason behind that is, compared to last year, the sets or the puzzles were bit easier. Okay, then direction sense, huge weightage was given from direction sense. Total there were 12 questions. Distribution or matrix arrangement, as you say, total there were 7 standalone questions. So as you can see, total 14 questions of puzzles, and these 7 questions, total 22 questions of puzzles which should have come in set were standalone questions. Even though those questions were very easy, but then it will definitely consume some amount of time. And now distribution questions also included ranking the students according to their marks and height and everything, all those things. Okay. For distribution, there were 2 sets having five questions each. Then there were number series, 6 questions, decision making, a new topic. So now, no, it is actually not a new topic. They used to ask decision making questions some 5 to 6 years ago. They have reintroduced it. We have made a separate video of how these decision making questions look. They are very easy. You can watch that video. Again, I'll add that video at the end of this video so that you have the complete idea of it. And syllogism, total there were 6 questions. Okay. Now syllogism, there were 3 statement, 4 conclusion syllogism, and no reverse syllogism as such. Regular normal syllogism के questions थे. No critical reasoning, no input output. Again, I am repeating that critical reasoning. In first cut analysis, we had informed that there were 15 questions of critical reasoning, but then that information is wrong. There were not a single question of critical. There was not a single question of critical reasoning. No statement assumption, no statement conclusion, nothing. Then some puzzles questions were scattered. है ना? जैसा मैंने at the start of the video I told you that if let us say question number 45 is on one puzzle, then next question will be on question number 51, followed by question number 77. You just need to do your rough work systematically. Okay. Overall level of difficulty of this section was easy, but it was a lengthy section. We are not going to predict the cutoffs. Let us wait for all the 5 slots because definitely there is going to be some normalization. And every year, all these slots, they are not similar. So let us wait for all the 5 slots to come. On the basis of that, we'll be doing the final analysis. Okay. Any other query, you can connect with us on any of these 3 social media platforms or visit our website tarkasastra.co.in or send a WhatsApp message on any one of these 2 numbers. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.